We're not going to do all of these parts completely today, but we are going to get some of the metal parts that are very rusted starting to soak in some evapor rust. And then we'll clean up the seat, reflector, and grips, and maybe get to the gear shift handle. That's what's happening on this episode of Featherstone Bicycles. So we'll get these rustier parts in here. Next, I'm going to take the ball bearings out of the cages. Before I put the chain ring and the bearing cages in the parts washer, there is so much grease, especially on the back side of the chain ring, that instead of getting all that off in the parts washer, first just use some solvent in a spray bottle and clean these off. The chain ring came out pretty good. There was some deep rust on here, around here, that led to some pitting, as well as on the reverse side, which of course you won't see that much, but this is actually called a Schwinn Mag, M-A-G. So we've got our cages all done. Now we're going to clean the balls for that and put everything back together. The cages were a little rough, as you probably saw in the time lapse there. Next thing we'll do is clean up this reflector with just some simple green. Should clean up nicely. What I like to do here, might have seen this before, is take some steel wool around the metal part, the frame of the bezel, the reflector. You can see that shines that up real nice. You have to be careful about doing this edge because the steel wool can scratch the lens. That looks good. Came out very nice. Edge looks good. Back, I had to hit the wire wheel on it and got a little scraped up, polished off with the steel wool, but you're never going to see that because it fits way back here and it'll be fine. So now let's get onto the seat. I think we'll just use a little simple green on here first and see what happens. Next, I'm going to clean up the hand grips. I used to do this just on the bench, but since I got the parts washer, really works a lot better in here. Just grease on your kids' hands or whatever on their hands, and does a better job. Need to hit a few things up with the Dremel. I've got a brass wire brush on here. Just what I couldn't get with the big wire wheel, just up here against the knob. I didn't want to get that big wire wheel close to that, but with this little one I can get close, I think. Sissy bar is going to have to wait until next time because I'm out of time for this episode. Thanks for sticking with me, and I hope to see you next time on Featherstone Bicycles.